Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're exploring a motorhome that combines German engineering, modern technology, and premium comfort in a way that feels truly unique. The 2027 BMW Motorhome takes the brand's well-known focus on performance and sophistication and transforms it into a luxury home on wheels designed for travelers who want more than just a typical RV experience. Built with the design philosophy and innovation of BMW, this futuristic motorhome promises to deliver a driving experience that feels refined, powerful, and incredibly comfortable at the same time. From the outside, the 2027 BMW Motorhome immediately stands out with its bold and modern styling. The front design is clearly inspired by BMW's latest luxury vehicles, featuring a large illuminated kidney grille that gives the motorhome a distinctive identity even from a distance. Slim adaptive LED headlights stretch toward the sides, creating a sharp and futuristic look that feels more like a luxury grand tourer than a traditional motorhome. The body shape has been carefully sculpted to improve aerodynamics, which is extremely important for a vehicle of this size. Smooth flowing lines run along the sides of the motorhome, while large panoramic windows provide incredible visibility for passengers inside. These windows also allow natural light to flood the living area, making the interior feel more spacious and open during daytime travel. Integrated storage compartments are seamlessly built into the lower body panels, providing plenty of room for travel gear, outdoor equipment, and luggage. The side of the motorhome also features a large automatic awning that extends to create a comfortable outdoor living space when parked. This transforms the vehicle into a relaxing lounge area where travelers can enjoy meals, conversation, or simply relax while enjoying the surrounding landscape. At the rear, the design continues BMW's modern styling language. A wide LED light bar stretches across the back of the motorhome, creating a clean and premium appearance. The rear section also includes a small outdoor utility area with hidden storage and optional equipment mounts for bicycles or adventure gear, making it perfect for travelers who enjoy active outdoor lifestyles. Step inside the 2027 BMW Motorhome, and the cabin immediately feels like a luxury apartment designed with the same attention to detail found in BMW's high-end vehicles. Premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and elegant wood trim create an environment that feels both modern and welcoming. Ambient lighting runs across the ceiling and side panels, allowing passengers to adjust the mood of the interior depending on the time of day or their personal preferences. The main living area is designed to be both comfortable and functional. A large modular sofa sits opposite a sleek entertainment wall that includes a massive ultra-high-definition display and a premium surround sound system. This space can easily transform from a lounge area into an additional sleeping space if needed, making the motorhome flexible for different travel situations. Moving further inside, the kitchen area showcases BMW's focus on practical luxury. The compact but efficient layout includes an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a microwave oven, and a deep stainless steel sink. High-quality countertops and soft-close cabinets provide both durability and elegance, while integrated storage ensures there is plenty of room for cooking supplies and groceries. Toward the rear of the motorhome, the bedroom area offers a peaceful and comfortable retreat after long days of driving or exploring. A spacious queen-size bed with a premium mattress provides excellent support for restful sleep. Soft reading lights and integrated charging ports make the space convenient for modern travelers who rely on multiple devices. Large smart glass windows allow passengers to adjust transparency levels, giving them beautiful outdoor views during the day and privacy at night. Next to the bedroom is a stylish and compact bathroom. Despite the limited space typical of motorhomes, the layout is designed to feel open and practical. It includes a modern sink with storage, a glass-enclosed shower, and efficient water management systems that help conserve resources during long journeys. When it comes to performance, the 2027 BMW Motorhome continues the brand's tradition of delivering engaging driving dynamics. Instead of relying on a traditional heavy diesel setup, this motorhome is expected to use an advanced hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged engine with a powerful electric motor. This system produces strong torque and smooth acceleration, making highway driving surprisingly effortless for a vehicle of this size. BMW's adaptive air suspension technology helps maintain ride comfort and stability even when the motorhome is fully loaded. The suspension automatically adjusts to road conditions, providing a smooth and controlled driving experience whether you're cruising on highways or exploring scenic countryside routes. Driver assistance technology is also extensive. The motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features significantly reduce driver fatigue and help make long-distance travel safer and more enjoyable. Technology inside the vehicle is equally impressive. A fully digital dashboard provides navigation, energy management, and vehicle information in a clear and modern interface. Wireless smartphone connectivity, onboard Wi-Fi capability, and multiple charging stations ensure that passengers stay connected and entertained during long journeys. In terms of pricing, the 2027 BMW Motorhome sits comfortably within the luxury motorhome segment. Industry estimates suggest that the base version could start around $450,000, while more exclusive configurations with advanced technology packages, premium materials, and custom interior layouts could reach around $700,000. While this price places it among high-end motorhomes, the combination of performance, design, and luxury features makes it an appealing option for buyers who want a premium travel experience. The 2027 BMW Motorhome represents an exciting vision for the future of luxury RV travel. By combining the performance, heritage, and sophisticated design of BMW with the freedom and practicality of a motorhome, it creates a vehicle that allows travelers to explore the world without giving up comfort or style. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.